Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasigis TV. So today I'll be teaching you how to hide your files using your calculator. So let's go on. Just go to the Play Store for those using Android and search for Calculator Hide app. So as you can see, there are a lot of these applications here that are similar. So let's go on with this. I recommend this because this has so many features. You can hide your application and you can also change the icon, the calculator icon. So just install the app. So open the app. So this is the policy, this is the terms and condition. So just click on agree and click on continue. So you just have to allow app hider to access this device location. Just click on why using the app. Allow app hider to access photos and media on your device. Just have to click on allow also. First of all, let me check this. I will go with this Facebook. So as you can see Facebook here. You can see the Facebook here. So let's go on. Import app right into app hider for dual or hide the app. So just click on import.
Introducing QuickBooks Online Accountant. Log in to see every.
So I just have to hide the app here. Then go back to your desktop, go back to your home and uninstall this. Just have to uninstall this here. Then go back to the app hider.